Athena, the goddess of wisdom. She stood for calculated warfare. We are fighting a war every day. We lose because we react. Here are her rules.
True strategy requires a calm mind.
I work in a world where a single mistake is not an option. I was trained to control complex systems under pressure, and yet, somewhere along the way, I lost control of the one system that mattered, my own mind. Every alert felt like an emergency. Every day, a battle I never agreed to fight. Then I stood beneath her, in Athens, and the noise finally broke. Athena, goddess of wisdom, and of war. But never mindless war, strategic war. She never lifted her spear without a reason. We do the opposite. We swing at everything. The email, the comment, the market, the noise. We fight all day, and we lose. Not because we're weak, but because we fight reacting. Athena fought differently, and she is not alone here. Below her temple, in a painted porch in the market of Athens, a man named Zeno began teaching. They called his school the Stoicism. It was born here, in the shadow of Athena's wisdom. 2,000 years later, its rules still work. So I brought back 3. A repair manual for the modern mind. Rule 1. Choose your battlefield. Athena never entered a fight she didn't intend to win. Seneca warned that the man who suffers before it is necessary suffers more than is necessary. Most of your battles are exactly that, suffering you volunteered for. Strategic surrender is not weakness. It is the highest discipline. Decide what deserves your spear. Let everything else burn without you. Rule 2. Forge your armor in silence. Athena was born fully armed, ready before the world could touch her. You are not born that way. You build it, before sunrise. Marcus Aurelius met each morning by reminding himself of the difficult people he would face, and choosing his response in advance. Give yourself 30 minutes of silence before the world makes its first demand. No screens. No news. That is where the armor is made. Walk out unarmed, and the day will tear you apart. Rule 3. Pierce the fog of emotion. When crisis hits, fear thickens the air until you cannot see. Athena's spear is one thing above all: clarity. Marcus Aurelius trained himself to strip every event down to what it actually is. A tense meeting is people talking in a room. A lost deal is a decision that was made. The catastrophe lives in your prediction, not in the fact. Remove the story you added. Look only at what is real. Emotion makes the fog. Wisdom is the blade that cuts through it. But here is the truth Athena would tell you. Wisdom you hear once and forget is not wisdom. It is decoration. These 3 rules only become armor when you practice them today, tomorrow, and the day after. Knowledge is not the victory. Repetition is. You don't rise once, you rise daily. That is the only way anyone has ever changed. So, if any one of these rules found you today, don't let it stay quiet. Tap like, not for me, but as your own signal that you're choosing to fight smarter. Subscribe, and come back to this every morning before your battle begins, because armor is forged by repetition, not by watching once. And growth was never meant to be private. Someone you know is losing the exact same war. Send them this shield. One last thing. Comment day 1 below right now. Then return tomorrow and write day 2. Keep counting, every morning, and watch what happens to you across 30 days. Download the Stoic Reflection Journal in the description, the same one I use to put on my armor each day. Keep your shield up, keep your mind sharp. I'll see you in the next battle.